Hey, if you are running meta ad for your business or somehow associated with the digital marketing landscape, you probably heard this term end of third-party cookies. What does it actually mean and what effect does it have on your Shopify store? Let's discuss in this video. Today I am going to explain you this complex topic in a simpler language so that a 10-year-old can understand. And as someone who run digital marketing agency and run ads for different brands and handle this thing day-to-day life, so I'm going to tell you how to fix this problem and improve your tracking so that you don't lose any money. Let's start with basic. Imagine you are in a giant shopping mall. You enter in a toy shop, but you look at a skateboard, but you are leaving without buying it. But while you are walking out, a stranger stuck an invisible sticky note on your back, and it says that he likes skateboard. Now every store you enter, it see the sticky note, and the shoe store try to sell you the skate shoes. While you are in hat store, they try to sell you the helmet. In digital marketing landscape, this sticky notes is called third-party cookies. Platforms like Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram, use this sticky note to track the customers all over the internet, which website they are visiting, they are interested in which kind of product, and this is how basically Pixel work. It read the sticky note and find out who is buying what and show your targeted ad to absolute perfect customers. But here is the big news. The sticky notes are disappearing. It's changing the landscape how we used to run meta ads in previous time. First, Apple dropped a massive bomb on their latest iOS update, specifically in app tracking transparency. They basically put a sticky bouncer on every doorstep of each iPhone app, and that basically asks, do you want this app track you? Most people say no. And overnight, this wipe out massive amount of sticky notes. Then Android did the same thing like Apple. They developed their own privacy wall through Android Privacy Sandbox, which is also referred as Andromeda update. You probably know this term. Basically, Android is building a wall which restricts apps sharing your information with each other. So what's the issue with your meta ad right now? Think of it like how metapixel actually work. They install in your website and they work as a CCTV camera on your website. They record each and every activity of every customer that visit your website, and they tell Facebook, find this kind of people and who are buying their product, who are adding the product in your cart. That basically known as lookalike audience. But what about Google Chrome? Previously they told they will completely ban the third-party cookies, but now they changed their mind. Instead of a blanket ban, they are giving users more option to choose which cookies to keep and which to opt out. But the result is same because people are not accepting any kind of cookies. Browsers like Safari and Firefox blocked this long ago, so you can say the old method of tracking is officially dead. But without these cookies, your pixel go blind. It doesn't know who is visiting your website from your meta ad, what kind of product they are searching for, and what kind of product they are actually buying. You can see the data in your Shopify dashboard or whatever platform you are using, but Meta doesn't know. And when Meta doesn't know, it can't optimize your ad. So your ROAS went up, your sales go down. This is the problem actually happened. This begins us to the Shopify angle and what actually you need to do in order to fix this problem. If you're running e-commerce business on Shopify, you can't really 100% rely upon the old metapixel. It's like you are trying to watch a 4K movie on a broken TV. You need to switch your strategy from a stranger sticking a note on your customer's bag to building your own relationship with your customers. In marketing term, we call it a first-party data. Instead of hoping Facebook track your customers, you need to capture the information on your Shopify store from your customers directly. Offer them a 10% discount in exchange of their email and the phone number. When they give you their information, the customer actually belong to your brand. You can text them, you can email them. Whenever you want to talk to them, you don't need to pay Mark Zuckerberg all the time. Second, you need to fix the plumbing of your website. Inside Shopify, you need to fix something called Meta Conversion API and GTM called Google Tag Manager. And when you install these two things, it tracks your customers more accurately. Remember, your pixel is a security camera on your website which is going blind, but the conversion API actually works differently. It's like a secure telephone number between your Shopify store backend and the Meta headquarters. It's like when someone buys something from your website, your Shopify store called Meta, hey, John Smith from Texas bought a shirt from your website. It completely bypassed the web browser, completely bypass the cookie blocker, and completely bypass the iOS updates. It feeds Meta algorithm exact data to keep your ads profitable. To wrap up this video, the end of third-party cookies, it doesn't mean the end of marketing. It's like end of lazy way of marketing. The iOS update and the Android privacy system are making sure the sticky notes are gone. So the brands who are moving forward actually use their customers' data and feeding and channelizing the data through Conversion API. If you want more straightforward real-world marketing advice from someone who does this for their client on every single day, then you need to subscribe this channel. Until then, see you in next one.